It's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a weekly vlog. They're literally my favourite videos to film, just film my boring weekly life really. So yeah, it's going to be a weekly vlog at uni, so I'm just going to show you what I'm getting up to. So I really hope you enjoy it. So if you're new here, then hello, welcome. I would absolutely love you to stick around, join the little family by subscribing, and let's just get on with the video. So it's now Sunday evening. I just wanted to show you my food shop because this week I've actually done it beginning of the week, getting ready. So for lunches, I've got these Warburton's thin bagels, love those, and then Philadelphia and hams. That is kind of what I'm planning on having for lunches. And then I've got a cucumber and some lettuce as well. Yeah, strawberries and yogurt for breakfast because I like to have like strawberries, yogurt, granola sometimes. So this is my favourite pasta sauce, and then I also love fajitas, but I always buy the fajita kits, but this week I decided to be a bit more efficient and get like spices to make my own fajitas. So I got some paprika and cumin because chicken obviously for the fajitas, sour cream and chive sauce because I can't have fajitas without this sauce. So it was a bit bad and bought a ready meal stir fry, so I just got some vegetable stir fry from Tesco as well. I just got mushrooms because, controversial opinion, but mushrooms are like my favourite thing ever. And then I also got wraps obviously for the fajitas. I also got a carbonara sauce for one night, a curry sauce for one night. Here we go, about to set up and do some work now. This is not going to be fun, but literally wish me luck. Now I'm having lunch. I decided to make a fry up for lunch. I've got toast, bacon, fried eggs and mushrooms. Don't know what could be better right now. So I'm now just back from a meal at the Alchemist. It was literally so nice. Had the fajitas. It was so good. Went for my boyfriend's birthday and then we went to Heavenly Desserts, which was so good. I didn't have time to show you my outfit before I go, so I'm just going to show you now I'm back because why not? So I'm just wearing this jacket from Topshop. I think I'll show this in another one of my videos. Then I'm wearing this one shoulder top from Brandy Melville. Topshop, black straight Jamie Jeans, just classics. And then just the boots I always wear. So this is one of the things that I got for my boyfriend, which I thought was literally so cool. It's this brand UNI-I. I've actually not heard of it before, but the top's really nice. I think he'll like it. So I got that in a medium because I wasn't really sure on the size. I mean, I hope it fits. So I'll show you it. I mean, can I open it or is that bad? Yeah, I'll open it and show you guys. But it looks like this, and it has that little limited sign on the front, and then on the back it says UNI-I, and he always wears like black tops to go out in, and he has his house party on Friday, so maybe he'll wear it there, who knows. But yeah, I got that from UNI-I. Hey vlog, so it's now Wednesday. So yeah, today what I've been doing is a bit of work in the morning, and then I filmed a Pretty Little Thing haul. So I got this top in the haul. And then my other favourite thing from the haul is this jumper with white sleeves. I literally love that. So there's that and that, and then obviously you can watch the haul. It will already be up when this vlog goes live. So if you want to go watch it, link down below. Cheeky shameless plug for myself there. So yeah, and now what I'm planning on doing is going out for a meal. So I'm meeting one of my friends from home and then one of the girls from work also from home, and then two like best friends as well. So it's gonna be really cute, can't wait. I'm literally starving, and we're gonna be going to George's Great British Kitchen, and my friend works there, so it's so exciting. Yeah, my friend Georgia works there, so I'm excited to actually like see her working. I don't know, that sounds really weird, but I'm just excited. So it's now Thursday, and what lectures I've had today is literally 9 till 5. Like honestly, it was not the best. I literally hated 9 till 5 because I also had work to do in my break. So I had 9 till 11 and then a break 11 till 1 and then 1 till 5 straight. Like so bad. But in the break I had work to do, so I've literally been working 9 till 5, which isn't the best. But I've got home now, and then what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go around to my friend's house tonight, Amelia and George's, to go watch some movies. Sorry, I was getting really scared. I get really scared someone's going to like break into my window or something, but it's fine. It's actually just Megan going into her room. So So yeah, gonna go around to theirs tonight, watch some movies, probably order dessert. I'm gonna set up for a cute cozy evening. So this is my little setup now. So obviously I've got my fairy lights there. And then on here is like my little autumnal setup. So I've got my candle, my little scented pumpkin, and then a real pumpkin. I really want to carve this. I don't actually know how to properly carve a pumpkin, so I mean maybe I'll watch some YouTube videos. When I went round to my boyfriend's, he was like, oh, my friends think you're really obsessed with pumpkins. I was like, oh, well that's embarrassing, but I guess we're carrying that on. So yeah. So it's now Friday morning. I'm just about to head out for breakfast with my friend. We're going to Foxy Cafe. Apparently it's really, really good for breakfast. I don't actually know, I've never been there for breakfast before, but she's been there and she said it's really good. So yeah, it's my friend Hannah she goes to Trent in Nottingham, and she also like is kind of one of my best friends from home. So that would be really nice to see her. I haven't seen her in so long, so I'm gonna go over there, and then I think we're gonna have a wander around town. I've got some parcels to return, so they're all in this like huge bag. I'll show you. Literally got so many parcels to return in that bag, like the shoes that I got for Cam, he didn't like them for his birthday, and then also a pretty little thing parcel to take back. So I'll show you my outfit really quickly. So I've got my red coat on from Primark, and then this jumper that I got in my pretty little thing haul, and then blue jeans, just straight leg jeans, and yeah, that's it. God, I'm literally so excited about this. So I'm going to be making a chicken chow mein. So I've got mushroom stir fry with the noodles. These are my favourite type of noodles. They're the ones that go in like pad thais and things. Then chicken chow mein sauce, the Blue Dragon one. This sauce is unreal if anybody hasn't tried it. And then some chicken as well.
This is actually quite nice.
We have to leave in like half an hour and we haven't drank yet. Oh, you okay? You okay there?
I like it a lot.
Right, okay, so we're ready to go. So the top is from Pretty Little Thing and the skirt is from Motel Rock. This is all actually Amelia's outfit. I'm actually just stealing it. Yeah. So yeah, I had nothing to wear.
So this is Zara, this is Motel Rocks as well, and it's from Birch, I think.
Love it. What are you wearing, Georgia?
Mine's from Primark.
So your drink of the day is wine?
Wine and lemonade because I can't really hack it otherwise.
And what's your drink of the day, Amelia, please?
Vodka and lemon and lime squash.
Everyone, so I think the last clips I vlogged were on Friday night, the house party. I was going to my boyfriend's house party. So yesterday was Saturday. Didn't vlog anything all day Saturday. Yesterday I did get my eyelashes done. If you can see them properly in this clip, but I had Russian eyelashes and also my eyebrows done. And I have these done always at the Loft in Hinckley, and I have my lashes done by Tasha or by Laura. This time I had them done by Laura, and then my brows always by Tasha. So they are literally amazing. I also recorded a little bit of their new sort of decor inside. It's so cute. They have like balloons and like a flower wall. I would have taken a selfie in the flower wall and tagged my Instagram because I think that's kind of the aim of it, but I was literally looking like an absolute mess. Literally feel amazing right now. You know when you're out of a hangover and you're like feeling like living your best life? That's how I feel right now. I just feel so happy not to be hungover anymore. So it's now Sunday and I'm obviously going back to uni this afternoon, but I think I'm gonna go for lunch with my grandma right now, my mum, which is cute. I don't know if we're going for lunch or if we're going for like a coffee, something like that, but that's the plan for today. And then we're gonna go for Sunday lunch. Oh, a Sunday roast just sounds the best right now. So I think I'm going to end this week's vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love vlogging sort of my everyday life. I don't know if anyone actually finds it interesting, so if you do, definitely leave me a comment below so I know to kind of keep vlogging. And yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, I would absolutely love if you would stick around, join the little family we have going on by subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!